What's going on, guys? I just got the Nitro 5 from Asus. It's a gaming laptop. Let's check it out. Let's unbox it, baby. Alright, let's do this. Got the box, Nitro 5 from Asus. Let's do it. Breaking off the seal, baby. Here we go. Kids, don't play with knives. Just saying. Alright. What else do we got? Got another box. That's it. You got your basic manuals. It's another something. You got the power brick. Let's check it out. Bang bang. You got the AC adapter. Alright, nothing too special here. Alright, that is not interesting. Let's check this out. This is what we've been waiting for. Oh man. Here it is. Whew. Looks pretty good. It has like a nice finish to it. Like a stainless steel finish to it. Obviously it's not stainless steel, it's plastic. It says Nitro on it, right there. Yeah, so it's actually pretty light. There's the thickness of it. Compared to my finger, it's not bad. We got your HDMI, USB, SD card, and then you can plug in your Cat 5 there. 2 more USBs, a headset, and then your charging dock is right there. It has cooling fans in the back. Yeah, so definitely feels like alright, let me take that off. It's solid. It is solid. Look at that. Oh yeah, the keys feel pretty nice. It says it's a 1080p. Yeah, it looks pretty good. The screen's good. It's definitely, for the price that you pay for this, I think it's pretty worth it. I'm gonna install some gates on it and check out if it's running good, if it's fast, smooth. I'm gonna put in some action shooter games and see how it handles if it doesn't get hot. Overall, I mean, top is plastic, bottom is plastic. It's not really, not metal on it, it's not really premium, but it's pretty well built. Definitely well built. Let's check it out. Alright guys, so what I think about the Nitro 5, it's pretty good. So it has a 1050 GTX in it. It's a 8 gig DDR4, 15.6 inch screen, 256 gigabyte SSD, and yeah, so that's how it looks light up. Or you could only turn off and on the keys right here. The screen is pretty good. I like it. It's a 1080. Overall, when I played a couple games on it, FPS games, it's staying around 50 to 70 FPS. So that's pretty good. Doesn't really get hot, which is great. Some do, but doesn't get hot. What else? Yeah, I mean, the frame rates were pretty stable the whole time, and it looks good. I love the screen, you know. It's smooth, starts right away. The one thing is the battery life. When you're playing games, when you take it off the charger, it's like an hour and a half. You could probably play for an hour and a half, which, you know, wish it was longer, but what can you do? Overall, it's very cheap. For a gaming laptop, it looks like this. That's pretty awesome. I don't have any complaints. I bought this for my nephew, so hopefully he's gonna enjoy this. I put a couple games on it, and yeah, recommend it. There's a link on the bottom. Check it out. Check out the pricing of it. And yeah, that's it.